Hello all, welcome to Code 9 Destination, day 28 here. So probably guys, you have explored all the topics which we have taught in the previous class with respect to the quadratic equations, and probably guys, we having the topic today called the simple equations based on the problem. It's not only the simple equations, we can able to call it as the application of the problems or application of the number. We can able to call in the different way. What we have done is here that we have merged all the different topical question and we make some application oriented topic, and we made it here and as a one ppt, and we're going to deliver here in the place. So that is a very important thing, so that you can able to explore in the different divergence area here, so that you can able to occupy and acquire some best idea about the different topics and the different uses of the problems that you're applying here with respect to the application we're going to deal with here. Sir, is that the following thing which is coming under the order? Yes, many people have the doubt because we are almost running in the advanced topic of the application still. But why are you going with the number systems? Yes, number system will occupy all the places, especially not only the topic here guys, you will occupy in all the places. That is the only thing you just want to focus here on it. And application of the number, that is a simple equation. In the last class we deal with the quadratic equation, that is a purely a direct draw questions here. But coming to this application of the numbers, it is going to deal with a different concepts and different application with respect to the same thing. You're just going to explore it. Each question will have each logic. If you are decoding the logic, you will get the answers. Okay, so here we don't have any formula. It will, because as like I said, it's a combined topic. We made it into one ppt here as an application of the numbers. Okay, so wrap it up guys. So we are almost covered the 60% of the topic in the aptitude alone, because as we are in the 28th day in the aptitude session here. So please follow all the notes. If you have any kind of the doubt on the previous classes that you made, so please kindly follow the notes. I mean the content we have delivered here, and please focus on the questions that we are taking it up and practice those questions. That's a much important over here. If you not practice those things, it is not going to be very useful guys, and make sure that you make a practice on it. That's a very important. We can able to say over here in this one. Okay, we'll move to the question guys here. So that is with respect to the question, I just go with this one. Okay, it's a very simple question. That is, how much of 3 by 3 over 5 of 735 is greater than the 2 over 3 of 633? It is mentioned here, this one. So how you can able to call this one guys? How we can able to say this one? So it is like saying that the greater than the thing they are saying. But many people will do that. They will keep the plus over there. The greater than means it indicates the value like symbol like this. That is 3 over 5 of 735 means this is the thing. Okay, so greater than means like what the thing it's indicated here, that is 2 over 3 of 633 we can able to call here in the place. If you made it up guys, this will give you the value closely to the thing of what? That is 3 over 5 we can able to call with respect of the thing, that is 1. Okay, 107 you can able to call it up, and next thing you can able to take it up this one guys. So not 107, 147 you can able to call it up here. If you multiply this one guys, you will get the value called, so 441 you will get. And this side guys, you see this one 2 by 3, right? So it will give you the value of 211. If you multiply here, it will give you the value called 422 you will get here in the place. So the probably they are asking just the difference. How much thing is greater than the value which you have given in the second portion of this one? That is the thing they are asking. So then you need to make it a difference over here. There is 441 minus 422. If you make it up, that will give you the value called simply 19. It's a very simple answer. We can able to mark down this one. Okay. So this is a pure number system question, but I'm highlighting here. So this is a topic we can able to say from the simplification. So here we are not going to deal with the simplification probably, but this application of the numbers. When it comes to the numbers, it will deal with the simplifications only. Okay. So now, with respect to the next question, they are giving that, so sum of the 4 consecutive even numbers is 292. Then what would be the smallest number it is given in this one? Okay, what is the smallest number you can able to say this one? So consecutive even numbers means what is the thing you can able to say here in the place? Okay, how we can able to say the consecutive numbers? You see this one 70, 76, 68. Okay, you see this one. If you follow this order, even number means as per the given option. I'm not trying any kind of the or formula or anything I was not using here. I'm just using some logical thing and playing here this one. Okay, you see this one, I can able to take it up. That is 68 is there. 68 after even is 70. 70 after 72 will come. But 72 is not here, right? Okay. So then going to the one 74 it will come. 76 it will come. 78 it will come. So this is how the logic will come here. If you take the even number of this one. Okay. But we need the 4 consecutive even number. If you make it up, that will give you the value called 292. That is the probable answer. Okay. You see this one, guys. If I make it up, that is I'm calling from here. That is 76 plus 78 means it will give you the value called what? 154. We will get 154 plus 74. We will get the value called 2 something, 2 something we will get. And then it will also give you the value, but it will not give you the exact value here. But coming to the value, guys, I can able to call like this 70 plus 72 plus 74. You see this one? 6 plus 4 is equal to what? That is last digit is 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to what? That is 12. You see this one? Only the 12. This is the thing it will give here this one. And 7 times of 4, we can able to call the value called 28. We have already got the 12, right? There is a one balance will be there. We can able to call it as, so 792, 292 is the possible answer here. Okay. So the probably that the answer of this one, the smallest number, we can able to call it as 70 is the correct answer. If you take it up, guys, 70 plus 72 plus 74 plus 76. If you make it up, that will give you the value called 292. Okay. Sir, this is a conventional method. How I can able to find out the way of the different thing using some other way. Okay. So we can able to say that there is a 4 consecutive even numbers. How you can able to write out the consecutive even numbers code? We can able to say like there is 2 times of x minus 2, comma 2 times of x minus 1 and 2x. Okay. And 2 times of x plus 1 we can able to write it up. Once you make it, guys, you just want to make it inside. Okay, that's a value. It will give you that. So 2x minus 4 and 2x minus 2 and 2x plus 2. Okay, like what we can able to give it up. If you combine everything, guys, it will give you the value of what? We will get the value called that is 8x minus 4. 8x minus 4 we will get. So that sum of the even number, all the things if you come it up, it will give you the value called what? 292, right? If you make it up, guys, so 8x minus 4, if you deal with that one, it will give you the answer called x is equal to 37. We will get here in this place. Okay. So once you're getting the 37 here, so then the smallest number is equal to what? Smallest number is equal to, this is the smallest number. Okay. 2x of minus 2, we can able to call this one. If you make it up, guys, that is x is equal to value. If you keep it up, that is 2 times of x. X minus equal to 37. 37 minus 2, we can able to call it as 35. 35 times of 2, it will also give you the 71. So this also you can able to use to find the answer, but you need to verify yourself which is your best opinion questions that is familiar for. Okay, I'll go for the next question, guys. This is a very simple equations. You just want to identify the x. Okay, that is the only thing you just want to find out here. Okay, so if you deal this one, we can able to consider here that is 6 minus 6 plus 3x. We can able to call it directly as 9x. Okay. If you take the x this side, it will call it as the plus x here. If you take the minus 27 this side, it will go as 13 plus 27. You can able to consider. This will give you that 10x is equal to 40. We can able to call it up. Then you can take it up. That is 40 over 10. If you take it up, that the value of x is equal to 4. We can able to get it. Very easy question. You just want to find out the value of identification of the x. That is the only thing. Okay, now it's a little bit different. Okay, little bit different. You see this one, there is a solving the equation for x. Okay, when it comes to this one, you see 19x plus 19y. You can able to keep it up. 19y plus 17. This side minus 19x plus 19y. So minus 21. I can keep it up here. Okay, so 19x is equal to what? How? You will keep the 19x. Okay, if you see this one, gentlemen, if you keep it up this side, it will become a 19x plus 19x, it will become a 38x probably. Okay, so 38x it will come. So the y, if you take this side, it will get cancelled. But if you take this value this side, you will get the value called what? That is minus 38 it will have, right? If you want to change it, you can able to change it. It will give you that 38 it will come. Minus 38 it will come. So 38 it will cancel and you will get the answer called x is equal to minus 1. you will get in the final answer here. So this is how you will sort out the answer with respect of the question we can able to deal here in the place. Okay. So going to the next one, guys, this is a little bit different. So please look it out here very carefully. So the cost of 2 chairs and 3 tables is 1300 rupees. They are mentioned here. Okay. So the cost of 3 chairs and 2 table is 1200 rupees, and cost of each table is how much more than the each chair by what? Okay, this is a very simplified question. It is still call it as the application of the numbers only. Okay, so please make sure you follow this question. This pattern is a very important one. It is asked in a very different exam, guys. Multiply in all the exams. This is one of the very prime question we can able to deal it up. Not like the same difficult same question here, but the same type pattern of the question you will definitely expect in your all your exam. But many people they don't know how to solve it. But it is a just two-step answer we can able to manipulate here so that you can get the answer in a very easily. Coming to this one, you see this one, guys, 2 chairs and 2 tables. I can call the C as chairs, okay, and T as tables. Like what I can able to call this one, okay, 2 chairs plus 3 tables is equal to 1300. I can able to call it up, and then 3 chairs and 2 table is equal to what? That is 1200. I can able to call it up. It's look like something like an equation, right? Okay. So if you see this one, if I want to cancel any one of them, I need to know one thing I can able to call it as what? So I need to know how much it is valuable again. So you need to know what is the cost of one each table and what is the cost of one table that you need to know. Okay. So first, I just want to cancel with the value of the chair first or table first. Whatever the thing you want, you can able to take it up. So the cost of one chair, you see this one, if I want to cancel here, I just need to multiply by 3. And then here I need to multiply by 2 here in this one. If I multiply by 3 here, it will give you the value called what? 6C. So plus 9T is equal to 3900. We can able to say here. That is, if I want to multiply here by 2, 6C plus 4T is equal to 12 times of 4. We can able to call it as 2400. Okay. I am just keeping the minus here to get the cancellation using the binomial value. Okay. So minus and minus here. If I keep it up, C can cancel, and for 9 minus 4, we can get the value called what? 5T is equal to, there is 39 minus 2400. We can able to say the value called 1500. We can able to say the 5 table is equal to 1500 rupees. Then 1 table is equal to what? There is 1 table we can able to call the value called 300 rupees. Okay. So we have got the 300. We just want to apply here any of the equation. It may be first or second you want. You can able to apply any place. You see this one? There is a 2 chairs. 2 chairs plus 1 table is equal to what? 300 rupees. Then 3 table is equal to 900 rupees equal to 1300. I can able to call it up here. That is, so 2 chairs is equal to 1300 over. That is difference of 900. If you keep it up, guys, you will get the value called what? 400. You will get here in the place. Once you deal this one, you can able to say that the 1 chair is equal to 400 over 2. We can able to get the answer called 200. I can able to say here in the place. Okay. So you see the 1 chair is equal to 200 rupees and 1 table is equal to what? 300 rupees here. If you're making the difference here in this one, I will call the thing called 100. So 100 is the only value I can able to get here in the place. So the probably this option will very familiar for you to get the thing. Okay, this is how the method you need to apply here all the thing and you need to get over here. Okay, I'll go for the next question, guys. So this question, it's a little bit different. Many people they stumble to do the further with the steps. The denominator of the fraction is 1 less than the twice the numerator. Okay, so you see initially the denominator, the fraction is looks like this way only. X by y only it will looks like. Okay, so like the way only that so the denominator and the numerator is looks like. I'm calling that, so numerator is n and denominator is d, like what you can able to take the one. Denominator of the fraction is 1 less than twice the numerator. Okay, so denominator of the fraction is 1 less than the twice the numerator is the thing they have given. Okay, so denominator is equal to 1 less than, so 2 times of numerator 1 less than the 1. Okay, this is the denominator statement they have given in this particular area. Many people will confuse. Many people will make a wrong thing. But if you understand the question clearly, you can able to frame it very correctly. Okay. If the numerator and the denominator, both of them is increased by 1, the fraction will become as what? That is 3 by 5 it will become. So probably you having the n by d, that is the numerator or denominator, right? If both of them is increased by 1, so then the fraction we can able to get that it will become a 3 over 5. Okay. So if you take it up in the cross multiplication, it will become a 5n plus 5. This will become a 3d plus 1. You can able to, sorry, 3d plus 3 you can able to call here in this one. Once you're resolving this one, guys, it will take it up. That is 5n plus 1, 5. Okay. So this side you're having the 3. D is there, right? You can able to call the D as 2 times of n minus 1, like what you can able to call, and plus 3. If you're resolving everything, guys, it will give you the value like n is equal to 5. Now they are asking the fraction. Okay, so the n is equal to 5. I've got it. So to find the denominator here, that is 2 times of n minus 1. So that is 10 minus 1. We can able to call the value called 9. So combining the value of numerator or denominator, we can able to call it as 5 by 9 is the final answer. Option D is the very correct answer in this one. Okay, so please kindly copy it out. If you have any questions on this particular question, so please comment me in the chat box so that I will help you on it. So guys, I think you are clear with this question. I'll move with the next question further. Okay, so this is a very important one. So 10th digit of the 2-digit number, okay, is 2 more than the unit digit, and 2-digit number is 7 times the sum of the digits. What is the unit digit? First of all, you need to understand what is called the unit digit means by. I hope you know the place value. Place value means ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. We can able to call it, right? Those things we can able to call it as the place value. In the place value, in the right side, in the positive side, the beginning of the number we can able to call it as the ones. The ones we can able to also call it as the last digit. Last digit also call it as a unit digit. 3 names, it will be indicate the only one thing only here. Okay, so that you just need to take it up here. The 10th digit of the 2-digit number is 2 more than it's a unit digit. You can able to take it up. The 2-digit number is 7 times the sum of the digits. So find the unit digit you can able to say here in the place. This is little bit different. Okay, so the thing is that if you say here in the place, so what is the 10th digit of the 2-digit number? Okay, 10th digit of the 2-digit number. Okay, you see this one, I having the 2-digit number like this. So 10A plus B. This is how the form of the thing you just want to frame it up in all the time. Okay, once you deal this one, you can able to take it up like, so that is A is equal to B plus 2. You can able to say that. That is 10 digit of the 2-digit number is 2 more than the unit digit. Okay, if you're calling that A is equal to 10 digit means and B is equal to unit digit means, so that's the thing they are mentioning here. 10 digit of the 2-digit number is 2 more than the unit digit. 10 digit means A, and so 2 more than unit digit means that, so you can call it as a B plus 2 here in the place. Okay, so once you deal this one, so they are saying that the 2-digit number is 7 times of the sum of the digits. So 2-digit number means we can able to call it as what? That is 10A plus B is equal to 7 times of sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means you can call it as the A plus B. Okay, like the thing I can able to call this one. If you resolve this one, guys, it will give you the value of 10A plus B is equal to 7 times of A plus B. If you're resolving this one, guys, you will get the value like A is equal to 2B, like what we will get. But our answer is what? That is unit digit. Unit digit means that is you need to find out the value called B. So B is the thing they are asking here in the place. Okay. So if you take the A is equal to 2B, you can apply here in the place. So we have in the first equation, right? So in this place you apply A is equal to 2B, right? You can call it as 2B is equal to B plus 2. You can able to take it up. So if the B is come this side, it will call it as a B is equal to 2. So the probably here the answer is also called the 2. Okay, many people will have confused again. Sir, why you taken the 10A plus B? Okay, so 10A plus B, why we have taken is that, so if you see this one, there is, I having the number called 79. Okay, I having the number called 79. So if I'm asking you what is called 10th digit and what is called unit digit, that's the last digit or ones, you will say that 9 is the unit digit, and so 70 is the thing called, that is thing called what? 10th digit. Okay. If I breaking down, if I expanding the form of the place value, I can able to write down like this: 70 plus 9. 70 is means to the 10th digit, 9 is means to the 1th digit. That is a unit digit, you can able to call it up. So you see this one, consider the same like we are taking it as, so that is B and A to indicate that always 10 digit will have the 2-digit number. That's what we can able to call the 10 digit, right? So that I'm having the 10A. So this is the reason why I kept the 10A plus B here in the place. Okay. So please kindly understand the question very carefully. Then only you can able to approach the question. Okay. So this is the same type of question. I request everyone need to solve the question and get me the answer. Put it in the chat box so that that's a very really important with respect to the same pattern. Let's see how many of them solving the question with respect of this one. Okay. So we'll move with the further question that, so you see this one, they have given that the product of consecutive odd number, that is, you see odd numbers is 4, 6, 2, 3. Okay. So 4, 6, 2, 3. What is the greatest of the two numbers they are asking here? So that, what is the product of consecutive two numbers? Forget the thing. First tell me what is the consecutive odd number. So I can able to take like x and x plus 2. Like what I can able to take it. They are saying the product. Product means you can able to call it as x times of x plus 2. If we keep it up, that is 4, 6, 2, 3, we can able to take this one. If you resolve this one, guys, we can able to make like x square plus 2x. So minus 4, 6, 2, 3 is equal to 0. Like what you can able to say this. See, you see 4, 6, 2, 3 is a very big number and 2x is a very small number. We don't have any clue to solve this one. Then you need to think like in the different way. How I can able to different think like in a different way is that you need to check how I can able to divide the 4, 6, 2, 3 so that I can able to get the value of the 2 as in the arithmetic operations also. I can able to divide like x square, so plus 69x minus 67x, so minus 4623 is equal to 0. Like what I can able to take this one. You see both of them is same, guys. 69 minus 67 is equal to what? 2 only, the same 2. I'm writing in the different dimension here in the place. Okay, so going onwards, I can able to write down like this. So 67. Okay, if you're taking this one, guys, if you're taking this one, if I taking the 67 as common, here in the place, if I taking the S as common, so it will give you exactly the value of x minus 67. So times of x plus 67 is 69. Okay, because you see this one 67, 69. So last time of the 9, 7 times of the 9, we can able to get the value called what? 3 only the last digit it will come. So the probably we can able to deliver the thing as the last digit as 3. So the probably either it is 67 it will come or either there is 69 it will come. But coming to this one, you can able to see that here there is 69 is the only possible answer. We can able to put it up here in the place. Okay. So going to the one, same like a very previous question we have done in the previous one. I hope everyone have to try this one in a 1 minute time. I'll give you only 1 minute time to proceed this one. Okay, so the cost of 16 pen and 8 pencil is 352 and cost of 4 pens and 4 pencils is equal to 96. Same like I'm not doing anything. Okay, I'm just writing a 16 pen and 8 pencil is equal to rupees 352 and then 4 pen and 4 pencil is equal to what? 96. We can able to write it up here. Once I write it up, guys, I just need to cancel. Okay, because I need the pen. So I can able to cancel the value of pencil directly multiplying by 2 over here. If you multiply by 2 over here, it will give you the value called 8 pen and 8 pencil. Okay, is equal to 96 times of 2. We can able to call the value called 192. You can call it up here. If you see this one, keeping the minus here, this will give you the 8 pen. So this will totally get cancelled. And so this will become a 352 minus 192 will give you the answer called 160. So the probably 1 pen is equal to 20 rupees. Okay. If you're making the Cross multiplication over hit here. You can able to say the answer called directly 190 rupees is the, sorry, 20 rupees is the value. We can directly pick it up here in this place. Okay. So the probably there is a bag contain total of 93 coins in a form of 1 rupee 50 paise, and if the total value of the coin in the bag is rupees 56 rupee, then find the number of paise 50 paise in the thing. Okay guys, I just want to give only one thing. The thing is that if you facing this kind of the coin based question, any kind of the place, you need to do only one thing. The thing is that if you need to convert either rupees or either paise. If you keep it up both the thing in the same place, then it will not going to exceed the process. So make sure you keep the correct value on it here. Okay. So they are asking how many number of 50 paise in the thing. Okay. You see this one, the bag totally contain 93 coin in terms of 1 rupee and 50 paise. Okay. You see this one, 1 rupee coin. I can take it as X coin, number of X coin. I don't know, right? In the 93, I can't able to say that equally. 49, 49, I can't able to say it. Or 45, 45, I can't able to say it. I can't able to divide like equally because they don't give given any kind of the keyword here. Okay. So that 1 rupee, I can take it as X here in this one. Okay. So once you take this one, I having the 50 paise. Okay. This is this one 50 paise. I can able to take like 93 minus X, you can able to take it up. Because over the total 93, if the excess remain means the value of the remaining is going to be the correct value, right? So the probably 93 minus X, you can able to take it up. So they have given that the total value of the coin is equal to 56. Initially, they have given the 93 coin. 93 coin means number of coins are 93. But the value of the total 93 coins is equal to rupees 56 rupees is the thing. We just want to keep it up. Okay. So then now I'm going to use the thing. Okay. So 1 rupee coin, I'm writing as a 100 paise. 1 rupee means 100 paise. 100 paise times of X. I don't know how much coin is there. Plus 50 paise. So 93 minus X I will have paise. So is equal to, if you combine both of them, you will have the 56 rupees, right? You need to write it only in the paise, because if you're writing one side is rupee and one side in paise, not at all agreeable. Okay. So you can write it as 5600. It will give you the value called 100x. This will give you that 50 times of 93. It will give you some value. Okay, that in terms of the 93 times of 5, you can able to call it as, so 5, 45, 4650. Okay, 4650. We will get it up here. So minus 50x we will have here. So 5600 you will have. So take the value this side. It will give you the value called 50x. If you take this side, guys, it will give you the value closely to the thing of what? That is, so the 5600, so minus 460, that you see we have in the left of 350 here, and plus 600, that is a 950 we can able to call here in the place. Okay, so with respect of this one, okay, so 950 we can able to call here, and you can able to say the value of X is equal to 74 paise. So that is number of 50 coins is equivalent to the 70 paise, because so not 74. Okay, so just want to be, we just want to divide here. So 5500 get cancelled means, so you have the value like, that is X is equal to, so 95 over 5. If you take it up, so cancelling this one, it will give you that 1 times of 5, remaining will have 9. Okay, so 4 will be there. So for 19 times it will get. Okay, so this 1 rupee coin, we having that 19 coins are there. Okay, coming to the one, we have got the X value, right? If you're finding the X value, putting here the place 93 minus X, you can able to call like 74. So 93 minus 19, you can able to call the value called 74. That is option D is the very correct answer in the question. I can able to clearly say in this particular pattern. Okay, so let's move to the next question. One more question. Okay, so the numerator of the fraction is increased by 500%. Denominator is increased by 300%. So the resultant is fraction. You will have 1/170. That is not a simple thing. It's a mixed fraction. You need to write in the mixed way only. Okay. So the numerator of the fraction, you can write it as x plus 5x here, y plus 3y. That's what the thing they have given. If you're writing the same also, it will give you the same thing. But don't worry, you can write like this. 1/170 means you can directly write it as 18 over 17. You can able to write it up. Okay, select the thing we can able to write up here. If you made it up, guys, this will give you the value called 6. Okay, so this will give you the value called 4. Okay, so 6x by 4y we can able to take it up is equal to 18 over 17. You can cancel this one. It will give you the 2 times and 3 times. X by y is equal to, that is 18 over 17. So times of 2 by 3 you can able to say here in the place. If you say here, that will give you the value called 6. 6 times of 12. Okay, that the finally you will have the answer called 12 over 70. That is option A is the very correct answer in this question. Okay, guys, you have, I hope you understand this one very clearly. Okay, so let's move one more question with this one. Okay, a number obtained by interchanging the digit. You have the word called interchange the digit. I told you, right? If it is a 10 digit number, you need to call like the same 10x plus y. Okay, here x is equal to what? 10th digit, and y is equal to what? That is called unit digit. Okay, like the thing we can able to take this one. Okay, a number obtained by interchanging the digits of the 2-digit number. Interchanging means you are changing the digit. Okay, the unit digit will come to the like this. You see this one, I having the value called 79. In the 79 is the original one. If I interchange this one, it will become as 97. So this is the modified one. So this is how the thing you just want to manipulate here. Okay, let's see this one. Number obtained by interchanging the digits of the 2-digit number is less than the original number. Okay, so less than the original number that was saying here by 63. Okay, so less than the thing means you can take it up. This is the original number. Okay, so 10x plus y. So minus 10y plus x. This is modified. This is original. If you take this one, in between them is less than the thing called 63. If I keep it up, so if I multiply this one, guys, I'll get the value like 9x. So minus 9y is equal to 63. I'll get. So I can call it as x minus y is equal to 7. So x plus y is equal to 11. I can call it up. If you resolve this one, guys, so I can directly take it up. There is a 2x is equal to 18. Then x is equal to what? I can able to call the value called what, guys? 9 I can able to say here in the place. Okay. So once I resolve this one, I apply here one of the equation and I get the value called y is equal to 2. Okay. So once you combine this one, the original number is equal to what? That is 10x plus y, right? If I apply here in the place, I will get the answer called 92. Okay. So this is how the thing you just want to find out. Okay. One more question. So we having the PQR having the 6,000 rupee among themselves. They want to share, but are having the 2/3 of the total amount with P and Q. That's what the thing they have mentioned in this one. Okay. So maybe R, we don't know how much amount we have. We have share. Okay. We can take it up. There's some X amount. Okay. Coming to the one, they are saying that R is equal to, so 2 by 3 of, so P plus Q, like what they are making the statement. Okay. You can keep like this. The P plus Q means, so the total amount is equal to 6,000 rupees. So if the R getting something means, so remaining are the combination of the share from the P and Q. 6,000 minus X I can able to call instead of the value. Okay. You see this one, I can able to call like this. That is 3R. Okay. I can able to call like 3R is equal to 12,000. So minus 2X I can able to call this one. Okay. So once I call like this, I can able to take it up the value because this is a R, right? You can able to call the same like X only. Okay. So this is also X. We are declaring here the X, right? So I can call like X here in the place. If you take the value this side, it will become a 5X here. So that is 12,000. You can able to call this one. And if you're solving the X here in this one, it will give you that finally as 4,000. Okay. So that's it, guys. This is what the topic I just want to deal here in the question. I hope you are clearly understand with the topic called simplification with respect to the application on the number in the different cycle and the different way of the thing question this problem. Okay. So please make sure that you copy down all the question, you practice all the thing in your respective manner. Having any doubt on the topic, so please comment me in the chat box. I'll help you. If you need any kind of the personal queries to discuss, we have attached our mail ID in the description box. You can able to reach out to us in any time. We can able to support in any way. Okay, guys. So if you need any kind of still more queries, you can comment us again. I request everyone, so please go through all video because you will never find the compact solution for your placement preparation. This is the time. Spend 1 hour time. Spend minimum time. You will learn. You will gain able to see the big difference in your particular thing. Very simple question. We are taking in the very simplified way. All the questions are exam related questions. So you will never find anywhere this question. Okay. So please make sure take down in this one, because each questions are a deal in the corporate exams, because they have already asked in the corporate exams. So please make sure that you doing the one. Okay. So okay guys, I believe you are done. We are done. Okay. So from next class onwards, we having new more topics. I don't think that we having the repetitive topic in the class going ahead. Okay. So probably we having some very interesting topic as well as we are indulged here in the place. So please put your focus on here so that you can able to deliver the best thing. Okay, guys. So we will see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hey, hold on. I'm back. I'm super excited to inform you that in last 2 months, we've been able to conduct around 50 drives and around 100 plus students have been selected for various MNCs. The packages are ranging from 3.5 to 10 lakhs. Stay tuned for more information by subscribing us on our YouTube channel, by liking our social media platforms like Facebook, Insta and LinkedIn. Thank you.